Ever wondered why that gorgeous lipstick you saw on your friend looks a bit off on you? The secret isn't the color itself, but your skin's undertone. It's the subtle hue beneath your skin's surface. Not sure what yours is? Here's a quick trick. Look at the veins on your wrist. If they appear blue or purple, you likely have cool undertones. Think pinks, blues, and reds with a blue base. If your veins look greenish, you probably have warm undertones. Oranges, corals, and brick reds will be your best friends. And if you can't really tell, you might be neutral, which means you can rock almost any shade. Finding the right lipstick is all about complementing your natural tones. Once you know your undertone, you'll pick the perfect shade every single time, making your whole face light up. Give it a try and see the difference.